Amendment 4, the update to the 18th edition of the wiring regulations, is almost here, and it's set to shape the way we design safe electrical installations. To help you hit the ground running, ECA has your back. Look out for our CPD certified presentation available online and through regional events. As you'd expect, with a full suite of support materials from clear, practical guidance notes to editable certificates and forms designed to make implementation smooth and compliant. We're also holding a live webinar on the 21st of April, where you can hear from me and the rest of our technical team, learn about what has changed and ask your burning questions. Don't forget, as an ECA member, you can contact myself and the rest of our wonderful technical team via email or the technical support helpline. We have also secured an exclusive NIC EIC discount of NIC EIC training on Amendment 4 for our members who have not yet gained the 18th edition qualification. This will help you sharpen your knowledge by staying ahead of the curve. So don't miss out. Keep a look on our socials and visit the ECA website on the 15th of April.